Make sure the milk intake tube is correctly inserted in the bottom of the LatteCrema milk container lid. Then fill the milk container with fresh cold milk, not exceeding the max level. Attach the milk container to the connector nozzle until it emits a beep. Place a suitably large cup under the spout and outlets. Select cappuccino icon, and when the machine display alerts you, adjust the frothing dial to the maximum position. After a few seconds, preparation begins automatically, and the name of the selected beverage appears on the display, together with a progress bar which gradually fills during delivery. You can prepare recipes such as cafe latte or latte macchiato by adjusting the dial to min or medium positions after pressing the relevant recipe button. After each use, place a container under the spout and turn the dial to clean. When this procedure is complete, turn the dial back to a milk position and you can place the milk container back in the fridge.